In last week's episode, we flew from Southerness Lighthouse up over Castle Point, then over Rough Island, where you could see the tidal causeway that is formed by the tide using rocks and mussel shells and cockle shells. And if the tide is low enough that you can actually see it and walk across it. But when I came out this week to film this episode, I came out a wee bit later on in the afternoon and the tide was higher, and so the causeway had vanished. It was under the water, and not only could you not walk on it, you couldn't even see it. In today's episode, we're going to start from Rough Island and continue our flight up the coast. Alright then, how you doing? You okay?
Yeah, not too bad.
That's a bit of a climb up there.
Oh, it's not good walking. It's worse when you can see it there. It's not so bad at night coming off, but when you can see what you've got to come up,
Aye.
not good.
Yeah.
Aye.
Aye, you didn't take the shortcut up that part.
Shortcut? Shortcut? Tell me about this because I've got to go back.
See the gate there,
Uh-huh. You can
Turn
get
left.
in there.
takes you right down to town.
Oh, the tide rose in on Rough Island shore, where the causeway's lost and shown no more, and the whispers rise from the days of yore. Mind the smugglers, oh Hestan Bay, past the horse isles foam and the white horse sand, where the sailors' bones still mark the strand, and the lantern swung by a smuggler's hand guided shadows through the gloaming grey. Sing hey ho, the wind did blow, carrying tales frae long ago. Ships at anchor, hearts of stone, running the coast where the tide has flown. Hey ho, let the old wind say there's smugglers still in Hestan Bay. Over Almorness Point, where the gulls take flight, they watch for sails in the fading light, and the Queen's men chased in the dead of night. But the smugglers slipped out like spray by the Hestan fire, and the lighthouse beam lies every wreck and every dream, where the tide runs hard like a restless stream, and the old sea sings where the deed men live. Sing hey ho, the wind did blow, carrying tales frae long ago. Ships at anchor, hearts of stone, running the coast where the tide has flown. Hey ho, let the old wind say there's smugglers still in Hestan Bay. Oh, the tide hides paths and the tide reveals, but a smuggler kens how the dark conceals, and the sea keeps truth under iron seal. till the waves give whispering stories.